Hi there, welcome to Naturally Naz. Today I'm making my popular intensive hydrating moisturizing lotion. This is very popular. I have people say how it stays on even after the first wash, and also that it is like a body butter. Stick around and see how I make it. So all my oils have been weighed out, and my water and hydrosols and my aloe vera juice has been weighed out. So now all the oils are already weighed together. I'm now going to pour them into the water. The oils has shea butter, avocado oil, pumpkin seed oil. It has an emulsifier, natural emulsifier, and to bind the water and the oils together. So here comes the miracle. Now that my oils and water are combined together, then we begin our mixing. This is where the miracle happens, when they emulsify and it gives this cream, light cream color. Now I'm going to add my gelling substance that give it that bounce and that fluid consistency, and will also make it rich and thick. These are a combination of products that I use, natural, and this is an all-natural lotion, including the preservative. Going in now. At this point, I just added my oatmeal to it, like the Avocado lotion. This lotion has oatmeal, and it's very soothing to the skin. If you look at researches out there, it also states that oatmeal is very soothing, softening to the skin, especially for problem skin. I'm still at the mixing before I add any of my other ingredients, such as my preservative, my essential oils. This is a natural fragrance oil, and so before I do all of that, I still have to mix to make sure it really is properly emulsified and combined together with oils and ingredients and water, so that we can have a stable and soothing lotion. Some more ingredients, and I'm still at the mixing. Yep, mix, mix, mix. Finally, it's time to pour in my last ingredient, and that's my preservative. It's natural and EcoCert, and there are several out there. You have to research them to see which one is best for the product you are making. It's not a one-size-fits-all for natural preservatives. Last and final ingredient. I'm so happy. Now I'm blending with the blender. While I'm moving my hand during the movement of the blender, I'm not getting a whole bunch of bubbles, because that's how thick and rich my lotion is. It always comes out smooth and rich and moisturizing, hydrating, and beautiful. And we are pouring now. can also give you a little peep here how I pour from my large pot with the large completed batch into this pouring cup. Hope you are able to see it. Yes, you can see. Well, the final pour that I'll be showing, because it takes a while to actually pour into all these bottles. So bottle number 4, and you will see the end results after pouring into all the bottles. And usually I have to clean up the bottles to have them covered when it's cooled and then label them. Now that you've seen how I make this hydrated, moisturizing natural lotion, thanks for watching. And if you want to learn more how you can maintain moisturized and hydrated skin and hair, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, and leave a nice comment down below. And don't forget, hit that little bell beside the subscribe button and you will be notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching. Have yourself a great time. Bye.